Hi, I would like to guide you on how to create a post. So from your home page, you click on create a post here in the middle. Then you will see you need to select a post type. Don't be too worried about it. There's no real right or wrong to this. This is only the category. It all pulls through to your summary page in any case. So from here, you choose either your post is a volunteering experience, a work experience, a project, an achievement, a formal learning, a health and a sport, or a hobby. So in my case, it's going to be a project. So I choose project. From there, I need to choose either a photo or a video or a document that I want to post. In my case, it's going to be a photo. So I already made this a folder. So the first one is going to be number one. I want to post three different photos. Number two, and last one, number three. So there I've got my three photos. The subject title. So what I did was I fixed a light fixture in my house. And of course, there's skills involved in that. So the subject title will be, let's say, fixing, let's say, light fixture. Okay. And then the project description or the responsibilities will be, say, fixing my light at home. And let's stop there. The date today is 12 August, and the date ending is 12 August. And I say post. And let's see. There is my post. We can scroll through to the different pictures, and there we go. I can like my own picture, I can comment, and then I can share. Now I can go and I can improve my post. So on the top right, I say improve my post. What skills did I develop? So now I can enter. The skills that I've developed here can be, what about critical thinking? Critical thinking. There we go. Critical thinking is there. Maybe a next one can be problem solving. Problem solving. Well, we want to put another one. What about self management? Self management. There we go. So I can add self management there. And there we go. So now if you scroll down, you will see critical skills developed, critical thinking, problem solving, and self management. Now, what I can do is I can ask someone to rate me. So I can type in there who can rate the skill. I can ask someone to verify if I actually did what I claim that I did. Or I can ask someone to endorse me for this specific post. And that is how you are making a post. Keep in mind that all these skills will go and sit in my skills cloud. And that is how I populate my skill. All the best.